Hi Creative Cubs, welcome back to Creative Cubs Art. Today is super special because I'm drawing with my daughter for the very first time. She's 8 years old and she's right here drawing along with me. We are making a cute Christmas wreath, so take out your markers and let's start. First, we'll draw a rectangle in the center with rounded corners. Yeah, like that. We are drawing a big bow on the wreath. So let's start drawing the two loops of the bow on both sides. Perfect. Now let's join both the open ends on both sides of the loop. Awesome. Now we'll draw a curve on both sides bottom to give it a 3D look. That's correct. Now we'll draw certain lines on the bow to show the crease and give it a real look. We'll add two ribbon ends hanging down. So we'll draw two lines like this. And two lines going slightly slant away from the lines that we drew before. And we'll join these two ribbon ends with a peak. Isn't it looking really cute? Definitely it is. Now from here we'll draw a round inner part of the wreath. So we'll draw the wreath in a zigzag manner to give it a real bushy look. Let's start from here in small zigzag pattern. Make sure to make it big and round. Joining here. Perfect. Similarly, we'll draw the outer part of the wreath in a parallel circle in same zigzag manner outside. Make sure it is parallel, big and of the same length. That is same distance apart from the inner wreath. Also drawing the top part of the outer wreath. These zigzag or bumpy lines make a wreath look leafy. Once we are done, we'll outline these bumpy lines to give it a real 3D effect. Now it's time to decorate our wreath. Draw 5-6 round Christmas balls around the wreath. Place them wherever you like, left, right, bottom. It's your design. Now add tiny dots to show golden lights or ornaments. These small details make the wreath look more festive and Christmassy. I love how you are trying your best. That's what matters most. There is no right or wrong in art. Now it's time to color our drawing. I'm going to fast forward this part, but if it feels too quick at any point, just pause the video and take your time. You can always rewind and watch it again. Enjoy coloring, kids! Done! Look how beautiful our Christmas wreaths turned out. You guys did such a wonderful job, and I'm so happy we drew together today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Creative Cubs Art. See you in the next fun drawing. Bye bye.